Remember you're feeding chickens at the zoo? It's a chicken. Right there. What's that? No, it's a sheep.
The sheep says, bah. That's right.
What's that?
She remembers, and we haven't had that book available for a long time.
What's that? No, it's a bunny. It's a rabbit.
Hop, hop, hop.
Rabbit. What's that? That is a pig.
Three singing pigs say la la la.
What's that? No, it's a turtle. You don't know what that... I doubt you know what that one is. What is that?
Pig.
No, it's not a pig. It's a panda.
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 She has
right.
a panda. A little ice cream truck.
This one's empty. Alright, what's this?
Cat.
That is a cat. What's this? No, it's a frog. Yeah, a frog. What's this?
Cat.
No, this is a cat. What's this? It's a giraffe. Yeah. What's this?
Giraffe.
No, this is a giraffe.
Wow.
What's this?
Me.
Are you ready? Are you ready to check out another one?
Okay.
Yeah, let's flip this around.
Okay.
Alright, let's see. You wanna do numbers?
Okay.
Alrighty. What's that? It is an X, but we don't need the X right now.
An O?
Oh, that's a 0. That is an 8. Good
O's
job.
pretty good.
It is a 9, but it's also a 6. You flip it over. I wonder if there's a difference. Oh, this is a 9.
This is 9.
That's a 6.
Fresh.
Yep, 6, and there's a 9.
9.
Yep. It's just... It's upside down. What's this? It is a 2. Good job. Say, I'm 2. Yep.
This is a cat.
This is a plus sign. It's a plus. Remember plus? Plus, 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 plus. That is a 7. Good job. That is a 3. Alright, how about this? What's that? It's a 1. That is a 1. What's this? Is this? What's this? That is a 3. It is a 1. Good job.
That's one.
There's lots of 1s because it's a 20 number set. So. What's that? What's this? This is a 9. Well, what's that? You can't just put it up there without saying what it is. What is this? Good job. That is a 1. Good job.
I had no idea she knew all those numbers by sight.
Yeah. She doesn't just know the numbers from like repetition. She knows numbers.
Well, I mean, I know that she can't, when she counts, it's not because she's memorized how to count. I know she's actually counting.
Yeah.
But I didn't know she knew numbers by sight.
Yeah.
That's like unheard of.
Can I look into it?
Yeah.
Thank you.
You might want to stick the broccoli back in the microwave. The potatoes didn't make as much as I thought they were going to. I probably should have made 2 boxes, but it was already in the oven.
Alright, let's try this out. What's this?
You're mine.
Alright, what's this?
You're mine.
Alright, let's put this here. Let's finish putting these on here, and then we'll go through numbers. We'll try it out.
That's a nipple. This is so.
Five there. One here. One left. Alright, so what's this?
This is mine.
Alright, this. What's this?
You too.
What's this?
You too.
What's this?
You too.
No, this is a 2. What's this?
I too.
Okay, so that's this. What is it? She's making the 3 noise with her tongue. What is it? What's this? Oh, she's looking at the lights. Christmas lights.
Oh.
Are you done? Are you done with letters and numbers? Or numbers? What's this?
You want to game? Okay.
You wanna check out some letters?
Yucky.
Yeah, okay.